My name is Suvita Ajit and I'm from India. I have been with Nirvana since the last 3 years. I complete 3 years in April, and as an instructor, I've been taking classes since last 2.5 years. What attracted me to Nirvana was the whole holistic healing process that Nirvana has. The first class that I took under Ness Royston, who was Ness at that point of time, when he gave the first master class for me, just as a demo for what Nirvana was all about. I got connected to Nirvana because I was already into alternate healing. I was doing Reiki, I was doing tarot cards, numerology, and all those things. And when I took up Nirvana, when I took the demo class for Nirvana, I felt that somewhere it is connecting me to more than just my body as an exercise, physical exercise. It was connecting me to the inner self, to myself from within. When I'm breathing, I was going inside. When I am like relaxing, I felt I was going inside. And when I'm going inside, I'm connecting more to my breath. So, and then I'm connecting to my soul. So that was what attracted me to Nirvana. Although I have done various other forms of exercises, not putting anybody down, but this I made me feel that it was a union of the three: mind, body, soul, which made me take up Nirvana. And I thought I can help people because the stress level is increasing now with the rising, kind of competition that is there in the world. The stress level is going high, and I thought this could help people. And mainly, my focus is on people who are having you go into depression and anxiety and disorders because of stress. And I would want them to take this up so that they can combat that, they can fight that. um, Asthma is another area where I have found that this works because my mother has asthma, and I always tell her to use Nirvana breathing to fight that, and she finds it very quite effective. And I have seen that people are breathing wrong when they are taking in breath. They're pulling in their stomach, and when they're letting out the breath, they are expanding their stomach. I have practically seen people doing that, and that was also one of the reasons why I just thought, okay, maybe that it is right that 80% people are not breathing right. So let me at least try to bring down that 80%. So yeah, that was one more reason for connecting with Nirvana. And many of my clients have benefited from Nirvana in multiple ways. It's not just about pain reduction and stress relief, and that and all is always there. There are added bonus, like your skin glows, your hair becomes better when you're breathing, you're smiling more, and all those things also comes along, which I actually was not aware. When people came and told me, that's when I realized, okay, the skin is glowing. Then my clients come and tell me that photos have become better. They have been getting those kind of feedbacks. So yes, that is of course there. Apart from the aches and pains, reducing period cramps. It's a huge effect on the period cramps. It's reduced pains, the regularity of periods, the menstruation time. That also for ladies it is a huge benefit. For men, I have men in my class. For them, it's a stress relief. The back is always, the shoulders are always stressed. It's a huge stress relief for them, always sitting in the office. And those men generally don't share their stress. So with Nirvana, they tend to release their stress. And they have been with me for the last 2 years, so I'm sure it works for them. And going into flow was actually a flow for me. It was a very smooth process when I was going from Nirvana to flow, because I already run a WhatsApp group wherein I'm helping people who have stress, sharing a lot of positive thoughts, and I keep giving them tidbits how to work on their mind. So when flow came, I could actually relate with it immediately, because being in the present, being in the now is what I always keep telling them. The triggers help, which was which was information for me. I didn't have knowledge much about the triggers that was mentioned in the flow. Like Katya said, yes, unconsciously, subconsciously, we are doing that. But yes, to do it consciously, it will be a great thing. It will be able to do consciously. So that is why flow happened very easily for me. I did not have to think about it, but how I will implement it, I'm still taking baby steps on that. Right now, only with my words, I'm implementing it. I would want to implement it with the triggers and actions also. Thank you so much.